I was bleeding when nobody looks. Reckless breath, loving things that never loved me back. I wanted a touch that hit my spirit first. Knew my hunger didn't flinch. Love came low and honest, smelled like truth and late nights. It didn't rush my healing, just whisper survive. I let it live in my chest, locked me in the now, made my scars feel earned. Desire got discipline, hunger turned holy sweat, rhythm, spine shaking. Then I said it plain, I wasn't talking about a body. 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 Feel you before you touch me. Intuition sliding down my spine. We don't need words, just rhythm, just time. Slowing when your eyes meet mine. I let my guard fall easy with you. No performance, no pretending to be strong. Kiss me like you know my past hurt. goodbye. Can you hear me cry? My lies are white. I can't see the light. I don't feel the night. Spirit on a flight. Spirit hit me right. I can't see the light. I don't feel the night. Uncomfortable in my skin. Under the circumstance, under a circle of people, don't want my serpent dance. Under a spell, I feel well, that's why I need to yell. Under a watchful eye, while I'm casting spells, I'm wearing down my carriages, I know I should care more. I saw the lightning bolt, I couldn't prepare for it. Too hard to keep inside, I gotta tell someone. Heaven and hell on earth, I know there's more than one. You see me light a candle, let it burn. Now see me lie and make you wonder what I learned. Now I'm really trying, is it something that you heard about? See me crying, can you help me when I'm hurt now? Can you hear me crying? My lies are white. I can see the light. I don't feel the night. Spirit on the flight. Spirit hit me right. I can see the light. I don't feel the night. It's hard to hold on when you feel like you're wrong. It's hard to hold on, so I wrote you this song. I try to stay strong, but my mind is a storm. I see my death in every form. I never knew love till I lost it. My soul is on the line, can you cross it? When you left me alone, my eyes widened. I told you my lies, they were white. Can you hear me crying? Yeah, my lies are white. I can see the light. I don't feel the night. Spirit on the flight. Spirit hit me right. I can see the light. I don't feel the night. They call me a lot of rain, 'cause the clouds know my name. I cried through the pressure, still I rise in the rain. Tears on my lashes, crown steady on my brow. Felt the weight of the world, but I won't bow now. I've been holding a lot. Yeah. Everything I picked up on the way, every version I tried to maintain, every voice I let inside my space, every part that I misplaced, I can feel it loosening now. Don't even gotta force it out. What was never really mine ain't got no reason to stay around. I ain't fighting it no more. I see what it was for. Every layer that I wore don't fit me anymore. Let it fall, I don't need it at all. Every piece that ain't me, I release. I'm free. Let it fall, I don't gotta hold on. What was built on illusion, I'm done, I'm gone. I was carrying things I ain't choose, trying to make it all make sense and prove that I was something I could keep, but it was never really me. Now I'm lighter in my chest, even if I don't know what's next. I'd rather stand in what is real than keep performing what I feel. I don't need to understand, just trust what's leaving my hands. Oh, let it fall, I don't need it at all. Every piece that ain't me, I release. I'm free. Let it fall, I don't gotta hold on. What was built on illusion, I'm done, I'm gone. If it go, let it go. I ain't chasing it no more. What's for me, gon' stay anyway. Let it fall. Let it fall. I don't need it, I don't need it. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Yeah. Yeah. I see it now. All these pieces ain't even mine. I've been picking up parts like they belong to me. Every mirror, every look, every energy. Thought it fit, so I wore it comfortably. Now I'm looking up like who I'm supposed to be. I was moving how they move, talking how they talk, trying to blend in, trying to smooth out every thought. Now I'm standing in a version I don't recognize. Too many reflections in my eyes. I've been shaping myself just to feel aligned, but every piece I took wasn't really mine. Now I'm sitting here trying to redefine what's me and what I picked up over time. Fragmented, too many pieces on me. I've been wearing things that don't even belong to me. Fragmented, now I gotta let it fall. If I lose it all, maybe that's me after all. Nah, for real, I had to pause on it. Too many voices, I was lost in it. Every opinion had a cost on it. Now I'm paying back what I bought from it. I was looking out instead of looking in, trying to win a game I was never in. Now I'm peeling layers, let it all drop. If it ain't real, I don't want it. I've been carrying weight that I don't need, trying to be everything but the real me. Now I'm letting go gradually. What's left gotta be actually me. Fragmented, too many pieces on me. I've been wearing things that don't even belong to me. Fragmented, now I gotta let it fall. If I lose it all, maybe that's me after all. If it fall, let it fall. I ain't holding nothing false. If it leave, let it go. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, I see it clear now. Yeah, I see it clear. I'm putting less on me, only keeping what feel like it belongs to me. Fragmented, but I'm clearer than before. If I lose it all, I might finally be whole. Ain't nothing wrong with letting it fall. Sometimes that's how you find yourself. Yeah. I've been listening. There's two voices in me. They finally stopped arguing. I got a river in my chest, she's speaking whispers. Say slow down, baby, feel what you've been missing. But there's a fire in my bones, you keep insisting. Stand up straight, make a move, stop wishing. I was torn in the middle of the frequency. Heart wide open, mind building walls in me. One said flow, one said choose what it's gonna be. I know they was both trying to grow me. I was drowning in the in-between, pulling petals off my own beliefs, trying to figure who I'm supposed to be, till the silence started talking back to me. I'm the child of two suns burning in my soul. One teaches me to feel, one teaches control. Now they moving as one, I don't split no more. That's the wisdom I was searching for. I'm the echo of love and the edge of truth. Soft hands, strong spine when I make my move. Now I see what it does when they both come through. That's the wisdom, that's the proof. She told me, baby, every wound got a language. He said, face it, don't you run from the anguish. I used to think that pain was something to escape. Now I see it's just a doorway shifting shape. I was praying for a sign in the sky, while the answer was divided inside. She was crying, he was saying decide. Now they speaking it a line every time. No more war in my energy. No more halves, I'm a unity. Now the truth feel like clarity, and it moved like it was meant for me. I'm the child of two suns burning in my soul. One teaches me to feel, one teaches control. Now they moving as one, I don't split no more. That's the wisdom I was searching for. I'm the echo of love and the edge of truth. Soft hands, strong spine when I make my move. Now I see what it does when they both come through. That's the wisdom, that's the proof. Divine, mother humming in my bloodstream. Divine, father steady in my daydreams. I was broken, thinking I had to choose. Now I walk like I got nothing to lose. Left hand open, right hand steady. Heart stay soft, but my soul stay ready. I ain't lost, I was just unblended. Now I'm whole, now I'm ascended. They was never opposites. They was always me. Before they called me anything, I was already everything. No shape, no role, no expectation to hold. I didn't need a body to exist. I didn't need a voice to be heard. I was felt before I was ever seen. I was the space between the heartbeat, the pause before the word, the knowing before the question. Then they gave me a name, and I forgot how to be. I forgot how to be. I don't push, I just move like water. No force, still I shape what I'm under. You can't hold what was never meant to stay, but I still touch everything in my way. They told me strength was loud, but I was quiet storms. They never saw it form. Soft power, I don't gotta fight to be, I just flow and it bends to me. Soft power, you don't see it but it's real. I don't chase, I make it feel. Worlds inside silence, creating life without trying. You look for proof in the physical, but I've been building the invisible. I'm a womb without form, still creating the storm, still birthing what's born before it ever performs. Before the touch, before the eyes, before the truth was compromised, I was a signal in the dark, a quiet, ever-beating heart. Frequency first, everything else came after. I was the feeling before the chapter. You don't see me, but you know when I'm there. In the shift of the room, in the weight of the air. I don't need light just to prove I exist. I'm the reason you feel what you can't resist. Felt not seen, living in between every space you breathe. That's where I be. Disconnected from the source. You were never broken, just taught to ignore. Go back before the noise. Before the name. You look told me pretty gets attention, so I shaped into the vision. Every angle, every line had to match what they define. If it shines then it's enough, even if it's built on dust. If it fits what they can see, then it must be worth something. Hold the image, don't let it break. Even if it starts to ache, stay composed, stay in frame. Don't let them see you change. Pretty prison, locked in what they see. Golden image, but it's not me. Pretty prison, shining from afar. If I break it, will I lose it all? Every compliment I take feels like something I must maintain. If I slip, if I fall, do they want me at all? Now I'm holding up a face that I don't even embrace, and the more that they adore, the less I feel at my core. Hold the image, don't let it break. Even if it starts to ache, stay composed, stay in frame. Don't let them see you change. Pretty prison, locked in what they see. Golden image, but it's not me. Pretty prison, shining from afar. If I break it, will I lose it all? If I take it off, who am I beneath it? If I let it fall, will anyone still see me? Pretty prison, locked in what they see. Golden image, but it's not me. Pretty prison, shining from afar. If I break it, will I lose it all? Stay perfect, stay, stay perfect. Stay. This is the realization, but not the awakening yet. No one told me what it would cost. It didn't happen all at once. It was pieces over time, little trays I justified, just to keep the peace alive. I thought I was gaining something every time I gave a part. Didn't see the slow subtraction happening inside my heart. The quiet cost, I didn't count it. What I lost, I moved around it. Now I see what it took from me, but I'm still here somewhere. listen. You are never lost, just turned away from the signal. You are never broken, just taught to ignore what was simple. You searched in noise for something that only lives in quiet. You try to force what only comes when you allow it. Every answer you've been chasing was waiting in stillness and patience. Every truth you tried to find was already inside your mind. Not hidden, just softened. Not gone, just forgotten. The silence speaks. If you let it, the silence holds what you forget. No need to run, no need to seek. Everything is in the quiet. Deep, deep, deep. Go back, 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 go back. Go back before the noise, before the pressure, before the voice, before the name, before the road. Back to the center, back to the whole. The silence speaks. You don't need to fight it. Silence knows. You don't need to hide it. Everything you are is always been right there within. I've been holding everything before it ever had a name. I've been holding everything before it ever had a name. I've been carrying worlds in the quiet. No witness, still I design it. You look for proof in the physical. I've been building the invisible. No hands, but I shape what becomes. No voice, still I speak through the hum. You call it nothing, empty space, but that's where I create. You only see it when it's born, but I was there before the form. Every life, every idea passed through me before it appeared. I'm the one without form, still creating the storm. I'm the space you ignore, still becoming what's born. I'm the dark in the dawn, where everything is a draw. I don't need to be seen to be what's going on. I've been still, but I'm never inactive. Every moment I'm pulling what's active. You think time is the reason it's here? I've been holding it way before years. Every vision you ever received had to pass through a place you can't see. Every spark, every breath, every star was conceived in the dark. You celebrate fighting the storm. I'm the space you ignore, still becoming what's born. I'm the dark in the dawn, where everything is a drawn. I don't need to be seen to be what's going on. Not empty, just unseen. Not silent, just between. Every answer starts in me, even what you think you see. I'm the origin you forgot to remember. I'm a womb without fire. Still creating storm. Before the light, before the word, there was a space, and I was there. Don't say that. Not like that. Every word I almost said got caught somewhere inside my chest. Every truth I tried to speak turned into something incomplete. I adjusted how I sound, lowered tone, I toned it down. Learned to pause before I feel, make it easier to conceal. Say let's don't go too deep, don't say what you really mean. Hold it, keep it light, don't let it shift the vibe. Defining the silence, I learned how to hide it. Every word redirected, every truth corrected. Defining the silence, now I'm moving quiet. You don't hear what I know, but it's loud in my soul. Told it's out to touch, so I folded, kept it neat, tucked my truth beneath my speech. Smile just to keep the peace, even when it wasn't me. Played the role so well I forgot what I was before the thought. Don't feel, don't react, don't say what you can't take back. Stay soft but not too real, let it pass, don't let it find into silence. I learned how to hide it, every word redirected, every truth corrected. Defined into silence, now I'm moving quiet. You don't hear what I know, but it's loud in my soul. If I say it, That's me. You don't see me, but I'm in the room. Shift in the air when I move through you. No lies, still I leave a trace. You feel it, but can't explain. I don't need eyes just to be known. I live in places you can't hold. Every time your chest gets tight, I'm passing by, real light. I don't show up how you expect, but you still feel the disconnect. When I'm gone, you notice it. When I'm near, you lean in. Felt not seen, living in between, in your breath, in your dreams. Felt not seen, moving silently. You don't know, but you know me. I touch without ever laying hands. Still I shape you where you stand. Every mood, every shift in tone, that's me moving through your soul. You look around, I'm not in sight, but I've been there your whole life. In the pause, in the space, in the time you can't replace. You don't catch it with your eyes, but you feel it deep inside. Every moment something changes. That's me moving through your veins. Felt not seen, living in between, in your breath, in your dreams. Felt not seen, moving silently. You don't know, but you know me. I'm the reason you pause. I'm the weight without cause. I'm the shift in your chest. I'm the space you can't test. You don't need proof to feel true. Felt not seen, living in between. You don't know, but you know me. I was never meant to be seen, just felt. Before the touch, before the sight, I was already there. Before the word, before the sound, before your feet could touch the ground, I was a signal in the dark, a quiet, steady beating heart. Before the phone could take its place, before the lines, before the face, I moved through everything unseen, living in between. You think it starts when you can see, but it begins in energy. Every moment, every first was already rehearsed. Frequency first, everything came after. I was the feeling before the chapter. Frequency first, before it had a name, before it ever took a shape. Frequency first, you feel it, then you know. That's how it always chance, I call it pull. A quiet force that's always full. Every step you think you choose was already moving you. I don't rush, I don't delay. I just move and make a way. Every path you ever crossed was a signal, not a loss. You think it's random how it flows, but everything already knows. Before it lands, before it lands, it's already in your hands. Frequency first, everything came after. I was the feeling before the chapter. Frequency first, before it had a name, before it ever took a shape. Frequency first, you feel it, then you know that's how it always goes. I don't need a body to exist. I don't need a voice to persist. Every thought, every move starts somewhere you can't prove. That's me. Frequency first. Everything came after. I was the feeling before the chapter.